Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is me. I am back again today, and this time I am going to be reacting, as you can tell from the title, to some amazing magic. Seems as last time I did this, I did reacting to bad magic, and people didn't take it so well, thinking that I thought I was better than other people or whatever. Truth is, I don't. I know how bad I am. I know I'm not the greatest magician out there. I was never trying to say that, but this is entertainment, and I just hoped you guys would understand that, but apparently not. So today I am reacting to Shin Lim's return on Penn Teller Fool Us. This should be good. The first one was amazing. The first one has like over 10 million views on YouTube of his first performance there. I mean, there are untold places where it's uploaded on YouTube, so there's probably like 50 million really, but let's have a look at the new one. So here it is. Let's take a look. I mean, this guy is unbelievable. If you don't know who Shin Lim is, look at him, check him out. He's ridiculous. He's great. Let's see. Ow. See, I like Shin Lim. I didn't know he was injured like that. I didn't know this shit. Good man. That lip hole spread though. Yo. That's what it looks like when I tried to do cardistry. That's why there's no cardistry videos on this channel, because I suck at cardistry. In case you didn't know that already. There you go, 35 mil. Damn. Yes. I think the worst thing about this for me is I know pretty much whatever he does, he's probably gonna fool me, so. Okay, so the ace. That was, come on, that's nice. That was nice. That was props, man. Props. That's clean. That is clean as fuck. That is what years of practice does. Look at that. Jesus. Oof. Watch the ace. Come on, man, that's so clean. That's too clean. So this is why I love watching Shin Lim, because it doesn't matter what happens, I already know that he's gonna fuck me up. that was, yeah. So clean. So clean. The worst thing about this is you know a lot of the moves, but you just can't spot him doing them, which is epic for me. His sleight of hand is on point. Oh my god. So when you see things like that on Instagram and stuff, you go, oh, that's a camera trick. It ain't, man, it's possible. I know how the colour changing deck thing works, but He's fuck, man. Oh God. Oh, that revelation. You fucking fooled me. That's just straight up. You fucking fooled me. Now the smopping. Oh, there we go. Right, okay. Let's see if we can get through it this time. Oh, so that's nice. That is nice. That is nice. Shin, fuck you, man. Thanks very much for checking out my video today. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You know it helps me out an amazing amount. It really does. Every thumbs up helps. And don't forget, comment below and let me know what you thought of Shin Lim's performance. I'd be happy to have a chat with you about magic. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video, which should be very soon, because you'll be seeing me do some more magic. Peace.